everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to time travel back to the early 70s and we're going to review a great song called Draggin The Line. It was written by Tommy James and another gentleman named Bob King, of course performed by Tommy James. Draggin The Line peaked at number 4 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1971. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes, you'll find my music there. Now what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know. And for the record, this song is very, very easy. There's only 2 chords. And then what we're going to do is we're going to perform an acoustic lounge cover version of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great psychedelic rock song from the 70s, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, before we get to the chords that you're going to need to know, I just want to make a quick point. I perform this song using a capo on the 2nd fret. Keep that in mind if you want to play along with me. So as I mentioned, this song only has 2 chords in it, and that makes it super, super easy to play. With that said, let's have a look at these 2 chords. The first one is an E major. And the second one, a D chord. That's it. Those 2 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
Making a living the old hard way, taking and giving my day by day. I dig the snow and the rain and the bright sunshine. We drag the line, we drag the line. My dog Sam eats purple flowers. Ain't got much, but what we got is ours. We dig the snow and the rain and the bright sunshine. We drag the line, we drag the line. I feel fine, I'm talking about peace of mind. I'm gonna take my time, I'm getting a good sign. We drag the line, we drag the line. Love the free and feeling spirit, hugging a tree when you get near it, digging the snow and the rain and the bright sunshine. Drag the line, we drag the line. I feel fine, I'm talking about peace of mind. I'm gonna take my time, I'm getting a good sign. Drag the line, drag the line. La la la, la 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 la, la la la, la la la.
Okay, let's jump into the chord progression. We're going to break this into 3 parts for you. We'll start with the verses, then we'll have a closer look at the chorus, and then we'll end things off with a deeper look at that opening riff. Now, in the original version by Tommy James, that opening riff is played throughout the song by the bass guitar. I've incorporated it into the acoustic lounge version using just the acoustic guitar here. With that said, let's have a look now at the verses. Okay, the verse starts on the E major chord and goes something like this. Making a living the old hard way, taking and giving my day by day. I dig the snow and the rain and the bright sunshine. Drag the line, drag the line. That's it, very simple. Let's jump now into the chorus. All right, the chorus also starts on the E major chord and goes something like this. I feel fine talking about peace of mind. I'm gonna take my time. I'm getting a good sign. Drag the line. Drag the line. And that's it. Super easy to play both the verse and the chorus. Let's finish things off with a closer look at that opening riff. Okay, that opening riff. In Tommy James' original version, that's played throughout the song by the bass guitar. But I wanted to incorporate a little bit of it into the acoustic lounge version because I think it really sets up the beginning of the song, makes it a little bit more recognizable. Really, at the root of it, it's very, very easy to play because it only incorporates 4 individual notes. But the tempo is very, very quick, and that's where you're going to have to do most of your practicing, is just to figure out the tempo. Let me show you where these notes are. It starts with the open 6th string. Oh, now, I wanted to just mention really quickly. I palm mute this part of the song. Now, for those of you that don't know, this is where you use this fattier tissue of your hand here, and you place it over the strings. It creates a little bit of a muted bass tone to it that I really like, as opposed to playing the note outright. You can do either or, but I think it adds a little bit of a bass tone to it when you mute these notes. With that, let's get to where these notes are. Again, the first one is the open 6th string. The next note's going to be the 5th string, 2nd fret. Then we're going to jump up to the 4th fret of the 5th string. And then the final note that you're going to need to know is located on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. Let me try to slow this down for you. And that's it. But you really got to work at getting the tempo up. That goes really, really fast if you want to play something like the original version by Tommy James. There you have it, Draggin the Line, performed by Tommy James. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please, please, please consider subscribing, I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.